Picture yourself watching a movie, and suddenly, whatever you type on your computer or device turns into stunning 3D images on the screen. It's as if your thoughts are brought to life before your very eyes. In this eye-opening journey, we'll unravel the mysteries of this revolutionary AI, MVDream. Hold on tight, because we're about to dive into a world where your questions will be answered and your creative dreams come to life. Welcome to the future of 3D magic. This magical concept serves as the foundation for what's to come, an introduction to an even more astonishing world of technology. Chapter 1. Meet MVDream. Moving forward, we introduce MVDream not as a complex AI system, but as a friendly and creative companion. We liken MVDream to a buddy who possesses an extraordinary talent, the ability to transform ordinary text into captivating 3D art. We keep it simple, focusing on the idea that MVDream is a tool that makes your words come alive in 3D form. Chapter 2. The magic behind MVDream. In this chapter, we delve into the inner workings of MVDream while keeping things approachable. Think of MVDream as a secret recipe for cooking up 3D art. It all starts with some messy ingredients, which experts refer to as noise. Then, just like following a step-by-step recipe, MVDream gradually turns this noise into beautifully crafted 3D images. We make the analogy of baking a cake, emphasizing the fun and creative aspect of the process. Chapter 3. Making it look perfect. Here, we introduce two essential elements: stable diffusion and Nerfs, without overwhelming the audience with technical jargon. Stable diffusion can be compared to tidying up a messy room. It's like taking clutter and arranging it neatly. Nerfs, on the other hand, are like super detailed painters. They ensure that every tiny detail, such as shadows and reflections, looks just right in the 3D art. This explanation simplifies complex concepts for a clearer understanding. Chapter 4. MVDream versus others. We spark curiosity by raising the question of whether MVDream is the best at creating 3D art compared to other tools. This chapter sets the stage for an upcoming showdown, focusing on the excitement of competition rather than technical details. Chapter 5. MVDream's big win. In this chapter, we reveal the thrilling outcome of the competition. MVDream doesn't just compete. It emerges as the clear winner. To illustrate this victory, we use the analogy of a fast car winning a race. This comparison helps viewers grasp the idea that MVDream outperforms its rivals, making it a superstar in the world of 3D art. Chapter 6. Game Changer MVDream. We emphasize that MVDream is not just about creating 3D art, it excels in creating 3D art that looks astonishingly real. We use the word magic to make it relatable and exciting, drawing viewers into the idea that MVDream is a game changer that brings imagination into reality. Chapter 7. Learning new tricks. In this chapter, we introduce the idea that MVDream can learn new things. Imagine teaching your computer to draw things it's never seen before. This is what MVDream does, and it's like having a tech-savvy pet that can perform cool tricks. Chapter 8. MVDream's learning magic. We delve a bit deeper into how MVDream learns new things. Researchers provide MVDream with words and pictures, and it learns to create new stuff. We compare this to teaching your dog new tricks, but with a high-tech twist, making the concept of machine learning more relatable and fun. Chapter 9. The gift from researchers. Here, we present the generous act of researchers who share a vast collection of 3D art with everyone. It's like receiving a giant box of exciting toys to explore and play with, creating excitement and curiosity about this thoughtful gift. Chapter 10. Endless possibilities. This chapter outlines the versatile capabilities of MVDream, such as fixing mistakes in art, mixing different art pieces, and changing colors or sizes. We simplify these functions by comparing MVDream to an art genius who can fulfill every creative request. Chapter 11. Limits and improvements. We acknowledge that while MVDream is impressive, it's not without limitations. It can make things a bit blurry and prefers to work with familiar shapes. However, we introduce the idea that improvements are in progress, hinting that MVDream is continually getting better. MVDream emphasizes to be a super creative friend who turns words into 3D art. The audience is encouraged to like and subscribe for more MVDream adventures, leaving them excited for what's to come.